Tired of your follow-up boss emails landing in the spam folder, or worse, not being delivered at all? Today, we're going to show you how to enable SMTP authentication in Microsoft 365 and Outlook for follow-up boss. Ensuring your messages reach your clients every time. This is a crucial step for reliable email delivery and maintaining a professional image. First, log into your Microsoft 365 Admin Center using your administrator credentials. You'll need admin privileges to make these changes. Next, navigate to Users and then click on Active Users. This will show you a list of all users in your Microsoft 365 organization. Find and select the user whose email you want to configure for follow-up boss. Click on their name to open their user details. In the User Details panel, go to the Mail tab and then click on Manage Email Apps. Make sure the Authenticated SMTP option is checked. If it's not, select the checkbox and click Save Changes. This enables the user to send email using SMTP authentication. Now, open Follow-up Boss and go to Admin. Then click on Email Settings. Select Custom SMTP Settings here. You'll enter your Microsoft 365 SMTP details. The SMTP server is usually Office 365. The port is 587. Enter the user's full Microsoft 365 email address in the username field and their corresponding password in the password field. Ensure that TLS or SSL encryption is enabled. This is usually an option within the settings. Finally, click Save. And that's it. You've successfully enabled SMTP authentication for Microsoft 365 and Outlook. In follow-up boss, your emails are now more likely to land in the inbox.